Reasons why you shouldn't be participating in follow for follow on TikTok. First things first, quality over quantity. You have to realize how important it is to have a genuine engaged audience. If you know, like I know, followers do not equal money. You need to do what you have to do and learn the algorithm. Let's be real. We like to watch what we like to watch. I can't even stress how many times I follow someone and I realize that their content isn't something that I wanted to be coming down my following page. Now, you can show up on my For You page because I don't have control of that. But my following, I don't want to see it. For an example, the girl that likes to watch spiritual journeys is not going to watch you who only post about graduation. Let's say you grow your page to 5,000 followers and you start working with TikTok Shop. If your TikTok Shop, you're promoting car things and tech things, I'm not clicking on the link to buy it because it doesn't make any sense for me. All I'm going to say is that followers does not equal engagement, because if I'm not entertained by your content or what you're posting, I'm not engaging. And that's just the reality. If your goal is not to grow your channel and possibly make money off of social media, if you're doing this for fun, then I get it. Build those followers. I would do the same. If this was just for fun, I would definitely just want to have followers just to have them. I'm going to end it by saying this. I have 7,000 followers on TikTok. And I'm on TikTok Shop and I've sold one thing on TikTok Shop. You want to know why? Because the people that followed me were following me because I was on here being a jokester. So now that I'm doing my lifestyle content, them people are like, what are you doing? They're not really interested in it. I'll say all this to say, if you're here to make money, like I'm here to make money, then you want to focus on engaged, authentic followers. Find your community, post more, be consistent, post every day, 2 times, 3 times a day, and you will find your community. And no judgment, because I definitely participated when it was like popular, like when it first started. I see like probably like 4 people that do it like every day. And no shade to those creators that's doing it and those that's engaging in that. But I just feel like if you really, really, really want to build community, you need to put out the content. And that's where it starts. Put out the content. Your community will find you. Okay? Love y'all. Peace.